Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right now by choosing a solvent and a tool. Use isopropyl 70% or plain vegetable oil and a plastic scraper. Explain why. Solvents loosen the polymer bonds in glue, while oil lifts tackiness without melting plastic. Once done warming the sticker with a hair dryer for about 10 to 20 seconds, slide the scraper gently at a low angle. Make sure to keep pressure even. Pause and reheat if the glue resists, because slow heat prevents surface damage. You now focus on breaking the bond. Apply a few drops of solvent or oil and let it penetrate for 1 to 3 minutes so the adhesive softens. Then, with the plastic scraper flat against the surface, use short controlled strokes to lift the softened glue. Long prying motions increase risk of scratches. Once most residue comes up, switch to microfiber and cotton swabs to wipe and dab remaining bits. Make sure to reapply solvent for stubborn spots and repeat the short stroke scraping. Finish by washing the plastic with warm soapy water to remove oil and loosened adhesive, then dry it thoroughly. You want no film left. After drying, wipe with isopropyl alcohol to eliminate any residual oil and buff with a microfiber cloth for a uniform finish. If you still feel tackiness, repeat a short solvent soak and gentle scrape, only a little at a time. Troubleshooting tip. If plastic clouds or softens, stop immediately and switch to a milder oil, because aggressive solvents can damage finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.